Hello and welcome to AdvancedRx video tutorial. In this video, we'll be looking at AdvancedRx Patient Master, how to add a patient, different tabs and features of Patient Master. So let's get started. So this is the AdvancedRx processing screen. If in case you want to add a patient, what you do is you enter the last name. Let's take an example. We enter Neil. It would say patient not found. Do you want to add a new patient? What you do is you hit yes and hit enter. It would open up the patient master. So this is how the patient master looks like. Okay, so basically you have all the information related to the patient: the first name, last name, middle name, address, gender, phone number, all the basic details of the patient. There are a few more tabs as well, like auto refill, in case if you want the auto refill to be activated for the patient, the gender, whether the patient is active or inactive, ID of the patient, billing cycle, type of payment, and if the patient is retail or LTC, if you want a charge account for the patient, if you can select the default label, you can select the lock code, you can select the residence code, you can have MAR timing format, you can have label language, you can have dispel packaging. Okay, you can select whether you want to deliver to this patient or not, and the marital status of the patient, smoker, pregnant status, EMA status, references. If you want to add, you can also go and check nursing home information for LTC, HIPAA remarks, little order, primary care, smart refill request accounts, in case you want to use a smart refill, which is there on the website. So what you do is you go and create username and password and activate the patient, and you can give this username and password to the patient, and they can go ahead and log into smart refill and raise a refill request. And once they raise it, you'll receive in the message queue here top. All right, along with that, you can also go ahead and add billing information of the patient, his credit card information and other required information for to maintain a charge account. You can add allergy, like for example, you can go and add no known allergy to the patient. You can add insurance plan, insurance to the patient. You can add workman's compensation to the patient. You can add family info to the patient. You can add documents as much as you want, and you can add remarks for the patient, and you can select whether you want to have the patient for shipping. So this is basically from UPS. You can select a patient where if you want to apply him for for shipping, you enter the details, shipping type, and validate the address and save and exit. Okay, so that's basically the details of the patient master. You can also access patient master by going to master, manage patient master. It would open up the same manage patient master. Okay, so let's just go ahead and look by adding a patient. Let's, for example, I wrote Neil, the first name is Thomas, enter the address, highway 19, zip is 93654. It would automatically pick the city. It should pick automatically. Okay, 20546. Okay, Washington DC. You can go and add the date, email, billing cycle. Okay, I don't want to do that. And then you can just go ahead and add to listing, no known allergies, insurance. You can go and add new insurance. You can go ahead and display all and select one insurance, enter the card ID. For example, let me just go and enter a dummy number and select the relation, select the card holder, primary plan, save it. It's already saved. Save the patient. Okay, I've not selected the birth date. Let me just go and do that. 81 and save it. Okay, all right, come on, is mail. All right, now the patient is safe. All right, and also the insurance related to the patient is also safe. So this is basically the patient master, and that's the tutorial for patient master. And thank you so much.